I'm going to try and explain the entirety of the Python basics in 2 minutes. I don't know how well this is going to go, whether you can learn anything, I don't know. Anyway, here we go. To get output onto the screen, you use a print statement which outputs something into the console. We also have variables which are containers that hold data that can be changed. We create them like this. We can also print variables like this, without speech marks. There are different types of data types that variables can hold. There is a list of them here. We can change the type of a variable through casting, e.g. converting an integer into a string. We do it like this. We have many operators in Python as well: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators, and a few more, but they don't matter right now. Arithmetic operators are used with numbers to do math. Assignments are used to assign values to variables. Comparison operators are used to compare values, and logical operators are used to combine if statements. More on that later. We also have lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. They are types of arrays. The definitions and examples are right here. And now on to conditional statements. We have if, elif, and else. These use the comparison operators, and we can use logical operators with them too. Examples of these statements are here. You must indent after a colon to show that the code underneath is part of the statement. We also have loops, while and for. While does something if something is true, like this. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence like this. We can iterate over something a certain number of times using for I in range. Functions are blocks of code that only runs when they are called like this. We run them like this. We also have scope. A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. A variable made in a function can only be used inside the function. Global variables are made outside everything and can be used by anything. Finally, we have user input. The user can type something in, and we do it like this. Okay, I just covered all there is to know about Python basics in 2 minutes. Hopefully you will have learned something, even if it is just a brief idea about Python. If you want to learn properly and in detail, I am currently making a Python basics tutorial series, which covers the things I covered here, but properly. And there's also a bit extra that I'm covering in my series as well. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.